Hello everyone! In this tutorial we are going to learn how to create costumes in Scratch. Let's start. Let's first open Scratch. The Scratch windows has these areas: the stage, commands, workspace, and sprites. This cat has two costumes. Look, 1 and 2. Let's create a new costume using the brush. Paint new costume. Very good. Now, let's draw a circle, but you can zoom until we see the squares. Very good. Now let's draw a circle with eyes and mouth and fill with pink. Choose ellipse and drag and drop a circle and put the circle here and using the brush you can to draw the eyes and the mouth and fill with pink. Very good. Now let's duplicate the costume. Right click and duplicate and change the fill using green, for example. Green. And fill the mouth and using a brush, black brush, put the mouth, and this costume is sick, and this costume is healthy. Very good. Now delete the other costumes, and your challenge is that you create a new costume called Death. You can make the change you want to the costumes. Now save the project. File, save, put a name, COVID, and choose a folder, for example, documents, and save. Okay, very good. Bye bye.